Hello, folks. Today is March 32nd, and as you can see on my screen, we're going to start off by going into a... Wait. This is actually the wrong lesson, actually. Let me get the right thing open really quick for us to get started. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be going through some math fun. Going through some math fun in order to learn a bit of new concepts for our math. As you can see, we've got a couple of different modes here. We've got add and subtract, multiply and divide, compare and count. I think what we're going to do is we're going to start off just with some count, just to keep things slow for the beginning, and then we'll ramp things up as we go on. So for the first step, we have to decide how many carnivorous plants we have up on the board. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to, as it says, we're going to count. So up first we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we can't forget the one that we have up here. So it's not actually going to be 6, it's going to be 7. So you can see we got that one right. For this, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6, so we're going to click on 6. The one wasn't actually 6, it was actually 5. Make sure we don't count the one in the middle twice. If we count the one in the middle twice, then we're going to get the wrong count. So, for this, we have 2 rows of 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're actually going to have 8 here. That's the correct answer, and we're going to go up to... Ooh, we only have 30 seconds to solve this. Oh, no, this one's one of the more difficult questions. We have 3, we have 4, we have 6 as one of our choices. I don't know why 6 is one of our choices here. Because honestly, it's going to be a choice between either 3 or 4. 6 doesn't really seem like a logical choice for this one. I suppose if it was trying to talk about how many wings they have. But even then, we can't even see if they have 2 wings, because we can't see the other sides of the birds. So in that case, we wouldn't even be able to get up to 6 then. Maybe if it was talking about the amount of black hairs that they have, because then we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we'd have 6 hairs. But honestly, it's going to be between 3 and 4 from the end of this one. Oh, we ran out of time. You know, count, I think we've had enough counting. I'm going to go back to the home real quick. Let's choose some addition. We're going to get started on a pretty high level for addition. I'm going to try addition level 5. So something plus 45 is going to give us 175. Well, with our 5, gets 5. What do I add to 4 to get 7? It's going to be 3. Oh, well, I already knew that I had to add 0, so the only one that had 0 in its ones place is going to be 130. Yes. So 130, that's perfect. 105 plus 10. Well, in our ones place, 5 plus 0 gives us 5. So that's going to eliminate my middle choice. That eliminates 113. So, for our tens place, we have 0 plus 1. So that's going to be a 1. So that's going to be 150. Yes. There we go. Perfect. That's what we like to see. 125 plus 152. This one's a little bit more tricky. But it's actually, if we look at our choices, it's actually going to be relatively simple. Because with our ones place, we have a 5 and a 2. 5 plus 2 gives us 7. We actually only have one choice out of our 3 that has a 7 in the ones place. That's going to be 177. Yes. That one's actually relatively quick. We're going to wait until our train gets to the end, and then we're going to pick something new. We're going to pick a different game. We have a 6. We have something plus 56 is going to be equal to 176. Well, we have a 6 in the ones place here, and we need to end with a 6 in the ones place. So that means we're not adding any 1s. So this is the only one that has a 0 in that ones place. It's got to be 120. Okay, it looks like we got one more question, and then our train will be off of our track, so we'll pick a different game after that. For this, I have 150 plus something is going to give me 200. Well, we can use that same trick that we had in our ones place in order to help answer this one. I have 0. I'm ending up with 0. That means I'm not adding anything to my ones place. The only thing that has a 0 in the ones place is going to be this 50.
Yes.
So with that, our train is starting to actually leave the station. So what we can do is we can pick a different game. We're kind of running out of time for this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to only do one more game. We're going to go with Divide, and we're going to do level 10 Division. Ooh. Level 10 Division. I got an achievement, by the way. I know you guys can't see it, but I did get an achievement for this game. I did get an achievement. You might not have been able to see it there, but I did get one. Well, I'm running out of time, I realize. So let's pick anything, and let's go on to the next question. 1,555 divided by 4. Well, we gotta find out what our remainder is going to be. We either have a remainder of 3, a remainder of 2, or a remainder of 1. Well, 338 times 4. Well, that 8 times 4 gives me 32, right? Yeah, that's going to give me 32. Well, with that 2, I'm going to have a remainder of...
No.
Wait, what? This division seems a little bit too hard. We might want to pick up on this division at a later date so that we don't need to deal with this anymore. So, with that, I'm going to let you guys go here. I hope you guys have yourselves a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys after break is over. Farewell.